It's a pretty warm day out, but the floors are really wet from the hot tub, so I need to keep this going to dry it out. Remember we stored the Christmas tree in here and we put it upright and then we wrapped it with bed sheets so that it wouldn't get all dusty and stuff? Well, I have opened this room up to the cats and within 10 minutes they were in the tree and all of the blankets are down at the bottom here. So I'm gonna take the tree apart, and the reason that we didn't put it in a bin is because when we bought it, we got it on clearance, so it didn't come with a bin, a storage bin. My arms are sore from moving the wood. And I didn't have a plastic one to put it in, but I think I found one that it might fit in, so I'm gonna try and hopefully it does. Did you do this? Did you do this, Mittens? Did you do that, Mittens? Were you in the tree? Were you in the tree? Were you in the tree? Oh, you big girl. Was you in the tree? You told him. I was in the tree. I was in it. I'm bad. Yeah. Oh, she's in it. Look, she's in it already. What the? How'd you get in there so fast? How are you in there so fast, Mittens? Mittens, get out of that tree. You get out of that tree. You get out of there. How am I going to pack it up with you in it? Hmm? This is the bin I'm hoping it'll fit in. That doesn't fit too well. Oh my land, I'm gonna need something really big to wrap it in. Another thing I've been wanting to do today is to get Sam's trampoline back up and running. So the metal frame part is still outside for it. But I've been digging out these poles, and so these go along the top for the net that wraps around it so she can't fall out of it. So I'm having to pop this off, this top part. And last year when I set up her trampoline, I forgot to do this, so that's why I have to do it now. So I pop the top off and then cover it in this blue, so that it all kind of matches instead of seeing this white foam part. The foam's like a protector on the pole, so that way if she hits it, it doesn't hurt her. So I was wanting to do that this year, so I'm doing that right now, and it's a bit of work, but I'm getting there. So I've already done these 3 poles in the blue wrap. These little blue covers only fit on one way, so I have to take that piece off. I'm like, ah! It's a tight fit. Now I need to try and put it back in, put this part back in, and the screw has to fit in that tiny little hole. It's such a pain. If it moves even slightly, you'll miss the hole. I think I did, see? And then the screw bends. See what I'm saying? What a weird design. Whoever did this. Oh, there it is. I think I got it that time. Alright, I got all 6 of them ready. And I'm going to go start putting it together. Here's the net right here. So I'll wrap that around afterwards. Look at all the geese out here again. Hello! They're just laying in the field, a bunch of them. Pretty cool. So I'm going to start work on putting this back together. So I got to string all these back through it. Oh. It's a tough job. All right, I got all the springs on. So now I have to go around and bring more styrofoam for all these. And then attach the poles you see me doing inside and putting that blue over. So they have the styrofoam and then I put the blue over. So now I need to put another piece of styrofoam on these, pull the blue through and hook the 2 poles together because it goes up in the air like at least probably 6 feet, and then I can wrap the net all around it. It's starting to snow now. The weather is so crazy, but some days might actually be really warm, so I just wanted to get the trampoline set up so that if we have a nice day, Sam can actually start enjoying it. Maybe I should have a quick jump. Get rid of that. Test it out. Oh, it's so wet, the ground. Feels good. All right, well, since it's snowing out there, I'm just gonna paint inside instead. I don't even know how much paint I have left, but we're gonna go.